What's up? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we'll be making tutorials on how to do tail whips. Now for this tutorial I'll be doing this in 3 different tips. We'll go after tip 1, tip 2 and tip 3, and then we'll go check out how the whole thing should look like. I'll also have some of the clips that I'll be including in this video of me making tail whips, because we all know tail whips is just one of those beginner scooter tricks that I think everyone should know, everyone should do, because tail whips are the type of tricks that you can really use anywhere. So it either goes down to every scooter rider that they first learn how to tail whip, or they either first learn how to bar spin, because those are the tricks that no matter what you do, whether you grind ledges, you can tail whip out, tail whip on. No matter what you do, you can always use that trick to to have combinations between your lines and skate parks. Before I start this whole thing, I also want to give a huge shout out to my boy Yon. He is making all of the beats behind my videos, and I think that you should definitely go ahead and show him some love. Go check his out. I'm gonna leave his link in the description right below. It's gonna be the first link. Go check him out on SoundCloud. Go show him some love, and yeah, let's get it. For all of you guys, I'm probably sure that you know what the tail whip is, but if you don't know what the tail whip is, it's basically you jump, bunny hop, and do a full rotation on your deck, catch it, and roll away. And this is what we'll be learning today in this video. For tip number 1, it's your bunny hops on point. You really want to have a good bunny hop. Now, the reason behind that is when you bunny hop, you get much more hop out of your jumps, and you get much more time to really perform your tricks. So I will be demonstrating how to bunny hop correctly, and for all of you, I would definitely say that before y'all go ahead and start performing tail whips, like really get down the bunny hops. Get to the bunny hops first, do 20 tries, like really go out, make your bunny hops, check it out if you did it properly, and really make like 20 good bunny hops before you start making anything else, because bunny hop is a very true start to like any scootering experience. And trust me, if you don't have enough of a hop, then you won't be able to really get your tail whips on point. Okay, so tip number 2. So for the tip number 2, you want to get your muscle memory right, because tail whip is all about muscle memory. We want to get 2 exercises for this. This exercise is how to spin your deck. So you basically want to grab your handlebars, start rotating your handlebars to the point where your deck start rotating, and really just get the feeling on how this whole thing goes. Second exercise, you want to know how to catch your whip. So what you want to do is you want to have your scooter in front of you, and with your back foot you want to flick the deck, get it around, catch it with your back foot, and bring it back under you. So I'll do this one more time. You want to flick it, get it around, grab it with this hand, with your back leg, and get it under. So in this way, this is how you're gonna be able to catch your whips. You want to make this to the point. You want to make this so good to the point where you don't even think, you just do. You don't even think how this whole thing works, but your muscle memory is so high, and you know how to do it, so you just do it automatically. It goes automatically. Alright, and the tip number 3. So the tip number 3, this is how the end project should look like. I'll show you right now. You want to get a big hop. You want to flick your deck with your back foot, get it around, catch it with your back foot, and get it under you. And this is all you want to do. Another thing that I've been seeing that kids are doing really wrong in the skate park is that as soon as they jump, they want to get that whip as soon as possible. Don't do that, because if you bunny hop and you're on your back wheel and you're tilted back while you're hopping and you start doing the whip, you won't be able to land it because you won't have enough time to get it under you. What you do want to do is hop it, and once you tilt your scooter forward and you're already in the air, this is the right place when you want to start flicking and getting the deck around. It's as easy as that. And like I said, I saw a lot of kids in the skate park do the same old stuff. Like they just, every time they just jump, they're just like holding back, like they are tilted back too much. They get the deck around, but they don't get it under their feet, because when you tilt it back like this, you get your deck out or your scooter out, and then you have to bring it back in, and this is the hard part that you're not going to be able to get if you do this thing all like wrong. There's a couple of things that all goes down to your preferences. This is what helped me learn, like to get that flick of emotion. The second exercise I was talking about was the big game changer for me. It helped me the most, so I don't know, maybe it will help you too. Okay, so I think that's it. That's all that I was wanting to say for this video. I think that's concluded this video. Like there really isn't much more to this. I would definitely like to say that tail whip is one of those tricks that you will just have to get it down. It comes out to the practice, it comes out to get your muscle memory really good. So if you won't be able to land at first tee, don't be disappointed. It's not the first tee type of trick that you'll be able to do it, but with a little progression, you'll be able to start seeing that you'll be able to get it off the kickers, you'll be able to start making it in quarter pipes and all that crazy shit. And you'll also find yourself like catching your whips, which is even better, because once you start performing triples, quads, or 260 whips, it all comes down to catching your whips. So I think that's it. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, leave a like, comment down below if you have any other tips that you wanna for others to know. Definitely I want to see the comments down below and see what your guys' opinion on this. And yeah, I think that's it. We'll see you in another video. Peace.